In Hebrews chapter 11, we've been studying those who live their faith so well. Remember, the people of first century were so discouraged. They wanted to give up, give out, and go away because they were paying a price for living their faith well as people of integrity. And so the writer points them in verse 36 of chapter 11 to those who suffered mockings and floggings and even chains and imprisonment. Jeremiah was called the weeping prophet. I stood in Israel at the area where he looked over the city of Jerusalem and wept, where he talked to people about if you would change your lives, if you would turn around, God would do so much for you. Well, on one occasion when he was prophesying, there were false prophets who didn't like what was being said. And so there's an account in Jeremiah chapter 20, verse 2. It says, "Then Pashur beat Jeremiah the prophet and put him in stocks that were in the upper Benjamin gate of the house of the Lord." He beat him and put him in stocks. He would have been hunched over, bloodied, so discouraged. When he got out of that situation the next day, he looked at Pashur and he said, "Make no mistake about it. I've been telling the truth and you will see." And he went on to give a detailed and accurate description of what would happen to Pashur and to the people of Israel because of what they were doing. There's a price tag to pay for telling the truth. At work, for standing up when people are taking advantage of the system. In a relationship, speaking out when it would be easier to be silent. In a situation about sharing your faith when, frankly, keeping silent would cost far less. Jeremiah the prophet knew how to speak about wonderful and happy moments. He's the one who said, "I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to give you a hope and a future." But he also knew how to say the hard thing at just the right time, in the right way, to the right people, to bring a turnaround and to change a situation and to reveal God's care and his heart for his people. You may be suffering today. You may be suffering for telling the truth, for speaking out, for standing up, for being strong. It costs a great deal to be people of truth. It wasn't just Jeremiah who wept over the city of Jerusalem. There was one who came long after him named Jesus, who stood in the same place and looked over the same city and wept over the people of God. Why? Because people who love God and their fellow man are willing to say the hard thing because it's the right thing. May God bless you for standing true through hard things. May he touch your life. May he bless you. May he give you the joy that comes with being a person of integrity. It's not without its price, but it costs far more to be a person who gives up their integrity for the lie. I'm Pastor Tim, and this has been our one-a-day journey of faith. By the way, it's Memorial Weekend, and there are those who have given so much. The price tag of giving changes everything, doesn't it? God bless you.